Hello PBMA community, this is Brandon Agasar for the Wave Makers, bringing you closer to the action and stories happening within our school community. Let's dive into the updates for this week of December 8th to December 12th, 2025. Here's Marissa and Sophia for Shark Bites.
Hey Sharks, it's Marissa.
And I'm Sophia.
And here are some quick Shark updates.
Get ready because Holiday Spirit Week is coming and we want everyone showing their school spirit all week long. Here's what's happening each day of the week. Holiday Cheer Day. Dress in your favorite holiday colors, red, green, and gold, and kick off the week full of cheer. Tuesday, Ugly Sweater Day. Break out your most festive and fun ugly sweater. The uglier, the better. Wednesday, Whoville Wednesday. Show off your crazy hair and your best Grinchy green outfit. Thursday, Holiday Chaos Day. The more accessories, the better. Overdo it with your holiday gear. Friday, Long Winter's Nap Day. Stay comfy and cozy in your pajamas or winter comfy wear. And Sharks, remember, while you're having fun and showing your spirit, all outfits still must follow school-appropriate dress guidelines. Sharks, stay festive, stay respectful, and keep going.
Don't miss your chance to capture the memories. The 2025 yearbook is on sale now for $34 each until December 31st. Secondary students, go to the website yearbookordercenter.com and remember to use the code 26591 when ordering. Secure your copy before the prices go up.
Remember, all cell phones and electronic devices must be placed in your yonder pouches during the first and last period of class throughout the entire day. This helps avoid class disruption and keeps everyone focused on learning. Let's stay present, stay focused, and keep our classrooms distraction-free. A quick reminder about the 10-10 rule. No passes during the first or last 10 minutes of class. Let's stay focused and make every minute of learning count.
Sharks, don't forget, subscribe to the PBMA's official YouTube channel where you can see all the Wavemaker episodes. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
We would like to give a big shout out to Mr. Setcher, our November Teacher of the Month. Whether through his innovative lessons, encouragement, or willingness to support students inside and outside the classroom, Mr. Setcher exemplifies what it means to be an outstanding educator. On behalf of the entire PBMA community, thank you, Mr. Setcher, for your hard work, leadership, and positive impact. Congratulations on being Teacher of the Month.
That's it for our Quick Shark updates. Back to you, Brandon.
Now it's time to check out what the skies have in store. Here's Alberto Medina with this week's Weather Watch, bringing you the latest updates so you're ready for anything, rain or shine. Here's Alexis Olsen for Leading with Purpose.
Hello Sharks and welcome back to another episode of Leading with Purpose. I'm your host, Alexis Olsen, and today we're joined by someone who brings energy, leadership, and vision to PBMA's digital media program. Brandon Agasar, our Wave Makers leader and main host. Brandon, thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me. Thank you for having me.
Brandon, you've been one of the driving forces behind the Wave Makers crew. What motivates you to take on a leadership role both behind the scenes and on camera?
What really motivates me is my team. All of the Wave Makers are great friends to me, and I really love the collaboration that we all come together on projects and we all communicate what we want to see in each episode.
As the main host and anchor, you set the tone for each episode. How do you prepare yourself mentally and creatively before filming an episode?
Well, before each episode, we of course have our amazing Mr. Davale, and he really sets the tone for what to expect and what we can achieve. Mentally, I really just, I goof off a little bit, make some funny faces, everyone laughs, and then, we set a funny tone. And then creatively, we all know that we want to perfect each video, we want a better each video. So creatively, I would say it's really just a collaboration that we all add effort to.
Wave Makers has grown a lot this year. What's one challenge the team has faced, and how did your leadership help guide everyone at it?
This is a hard one. One challenge we have faced is, I would say it's definitely getting comfortable on camera. I feel as if everyone has, different levels of confidence and comfortability on camera. I think the more we do each episode, as each week goes on, we all get more comfortable on camera, and we're doing a lot better, as you've seen on each episode.
Many students see you as a role model. What advice would you give to aspiring digital media students who want to develop confidence and leadership like you have?
Definitely one huge piece of advice I could give is just be you. Just when you get on camera, don't think about it too much. Again, when you're on camera, you're seeing people that you see every day in school. They're going to see you either way, so you shouldn't be scared. You shouldn't be anything. It's just a really fun thing to do. You shouldn't see it as a job or anything. It's just very fun, and I think you should just give it your all.
Well, Brandon, thank you so much for sharing your experiences and insights with us today. And Sharks, thank you for tuning in to this episode with Leading with Purpose. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the PBMA YouTube channel to support our amazing Wavemakers crew. See you next time.
We're proud to feature Miss Kime, a dedicated educator whose commitment to her students goes beyond the classroom. Through her passion, guidance, and consistent support, she helps students navigate challenges and reach their full potential. Here's Zoe Covedo for The Lighthouse.
Hi Sharks, welcome back to The Lighthouse, where we spotlight the amazing people who help shape our PBMA community. Today we're excited to feature one of our ELA teachers, Miss Kime, someone known for her passion for reading, writing, and inspiring her students every day. Thank you for joining us, Miss Kime.
It's a pleasure.
To start off, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and your journey as a teacher?
Sure. Well, I am Mrs. Kime. I am an ELA teacher for 11th and 12th graders, and this is my first year teaching here in the U.S. But before moving here, I spent nearly 6 years teaching in Thailand.
Wow.
Yeah.
My next question for you is, what inspired you to teach here at PBMA, and what made our school stand out to you?
Well, to be honest, I was inspired to teach here because of the supportive administration and also, our community here. There's a very strong sense of community.
What do you enjoy most about teaching ELA, especially with students here at PBMA?
Well, I love seeing my students demonstrate curiosity and make meaningful progress.
That's nice.
Yeah.
If you could give one piece of advice to students about reading, writing, or learning in general, what would it be?
My advice is simple. Stay curious, keep learning, and focus on growth over perfection.
My last question for you today is, what's one book you believe every student should read at least once in their life, and why?
Well, I believe students should read How to Kill a Mockingbird because it teaches empathy, courage, and how to stand up, even when things are hard.
I like that. Thank you so much, Ms. Kime, for sharing your story and for everything you do for our students.
You're welcome.
And thank you, Sharks, for tuning in to this episode of The Lighthouse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our Wavemakers content to stay connected with all things PBMA. See you next time.
And now for the quote of the week. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. That's it for this week's Wavemakers. Sharks, always remember our shark mentality by being safe, respectful, and responsible. Again, this is Brandon Nagasar for the Wavemakers.